This is an example of a persuasive text. Why dogs are the best pets. Do you have a pet? I have a dog. I believe that dogs are the best pets. Dogs can help people stay active. That's a fact that is supporting the author's opinion. Now they're going to explain why. Many people have fun walking their dogs. Playing fetch with a dog can often bring people joy. Being outside, getting exercise is wonderful for both dogs and humans. Dogs are usually very smart animals. Another reason of support. Dogs can learn many tricks. They can also be trained to carefully obey their owners. Dogs are very loyal pets. Dogs are bundles of excitement every time they see you. Another reason. Nothing says welcome home like the happily wagging tail of a pet dog. Dogs bring happiness everywhere they go. This is why dogs make the best pets.